Wait, stop right there. You might be making a huge mistake without even realizing it. Every day, millions of people throw away seeds, not knowing that they are some of the most powerful superfoods in the world. Think about these tiny powerhouses containing everything needed to grow a whole plant. That means they are loaded with vitamins, minerals, fiber, and essential compounds that can boost your health, strengthen your body, and even help prevent illness. But here's the truth. Most of us don't know how to use them. So today we're diving deep into why you should never throw away seeds again and how you can easily use them in juices, smoothies, salads, soups, meat dishes, and rice. By the end of this video, you'll look at seeds in a whole new light. So stick around and let's get started. Quick disclaimer. This video is for informational purposes only and does not offer medical advice. Always consult a professional before making dietary changes. Seeds are the foundation of life. They contain DNA and essential nutrients to grow an entire plant. That means they are nutrient-dense and filled with compounds that are beneficial for the human body. But why should you keep them? Most seeds contain healthy fats, which are essential for brain function and heart health. They also provide protein, the building block of muscles and tissues. Plus, seeds are rich in fiber, aiding digestion and keeping you full longer. They're packed with vitamins and minerals like magnesium, zinc, iron, calcium, and B vitamins. And let's not forget antioxidants, which help fight aging and protect cells from damage. Some seeds, like papaya seeds, are known to cleanse the liver, remove toxins, and even help the body fight parasites and harmful bacteria. If you've been feeling sluggish, seeds might be the missing ingredient in your diet. Seeds like chia flax seeds and watermelon seeds expand in your stomach, keeping you full for longer and reducing unnecessary cravings. The high fiber content also improves digestion and prevents bloating. Did you know that some seeds contain powerful anti-inflammatory compounds? Pumpkin seeds and flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help fight inflammation, while papaya seeds have antibacterial properties that can cleanse the gut. Omega-3 fatty acids found in chia and flax seeds are essential for brain function and memory. They also support heart health by reducing bad cholesterol and improving circulation. Now that you know how powerful seeds are, let's break down some of the most amazing seeds and exactly how to use them. Avocado seeds. These seeds are high in antioxidants that fight free radicals. They support heart health and improve circulation. Plus, they aid digestion and boost metabolism. So how can you use them? Well, you can dry, grind, and blend them into smoothies. Or you can boil them for 10 minutes and drink as an antioxidant-rich tea. Another option is to grate them into thick soups for a mild, nutty flavor. Papaya seeds. They detoxify the liver and digestive system. They also kill parasites and harmful bacteria, and they support gut health and digestion. Now, how to use them? You can dry, blend, and sprinkle them on salads, or add a small amount to smoothies for a slight peppery taste. Another idea is to mix them into salad dressings for an extra kick. Watermelon seeds. These seeds are high in magnesium, which is essential for muscle and nerve function. They help regulate blood sugar levels, and they boost metabolism and provide lasting energy. So, how can you use them? You can lightly roast them with sea salt for a crunchy treat, or blend them into watermelon juice for an extra nutrient boost. Another option is to grind them into a fine powder and mix into broths for soups and stews. Pumpkin seeds. These little powerhouses are an excellent source of magnesium and zinc for immunity. They support prostate health and hormonal balance, and they even aid in better sleep and relaxation. How can you use them? Well, you can eat them raw or roasted as a snack, sprinkle them on oatmeal, yogurt, or salads, and blend them into soups for added creaminess. Chia and flax seeds. These seeds are high in omega-3 for brain and heart health. They improve digestion and regulate blood sugar, and they help balance hormones naturally. How to use them? You can mix them into your favorite smoothies and juices, replace eggs with soaked chia seeds when baking, or mix them with almond milk for a nutritious pudding breakfast. Let's talk about incorporating seeds into your meals. For juices and smoothies, blend watermelon seeds into fresh watermelon juice, or add chia or flax seeds to your smoothies for fiber and omega-3. For salads and dressings, sprinkle pumpkin seeds over leafy greens, or blend avocado seed powder into creamy dressings. And for soups and rice dishes, add ground avocado or watermelon seeds to thick soups, or use flax seeds in broths for an omega-3 boost. Now that you know the secret power of seeds, will you ever throw them away again? These tiny superfoods can boost your health, save you money, and add flavor to your meals. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips. Now tell me in the comments, which seed are you excited to try first? Let's keep the conversation going. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.